zusammen. Ich heiße Abhishek and today we will learn the first context, that is erster Kontakt. So what we will say when we meet someone first time. So hallo, this one is hello. So it pronounced like as hallo, H-A-L-L-O, hallo. Guten Tag, good day. G-U-T-N, T-A-G, Guten Tag, good day. The Frage, that is question, Frage. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? What's your name? Wie heißen Sie? This is double S. So in German, double S is written like this. Wie heißen Sie? What's your name? Or how you call yourself? Antwort, that is answer. A-N-T-W-O-R-T. Antwort. Antwort. Ich heiße Abhishek. Ich heiße Abhishek. I am called Abhishek, or I am Abhishek. Or one can say the in another form in this way, like as mein Name ist Abhishek. My Name, his name, ist Abhishek. Abhishek. Mein Name ist Abhishek. My name is Abhishek. Vielen Dank.